Do you want to get approved for high limit business credit cards and loans without touching your personal credit score? In this video, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to build business credit fast in 2025 step by step. Now, by the end of this video, you will know exactly what to do, what order to do it in, and how to get business funding in as little as 90 days. Now, before we get started, I do want to mention that I do have credit repair letters available on my website at creditwithinfo.com. And these are instant download, editable PDF template files. So when I am not able to do free credit repair, you are still able to get the help that you need on your credit journey. Now, let's go ahead and get right back into this video. Now, this is step by step. First thing first, lenders want to see a legit established business, okay? That is the most important factor of this. Next, you want to make sure that you register your business as an LLC or a corporation or another legal structure. Now, you want to make sure that you avoid proprietorship if possible. It is definitely much harder to separate your credit. Now, next thing is next. You want to go to the irs.gov website. And on the website, you want to get you a EIN. Now, this is your business social security number, and it is completely free. Now, as you guys can see, I am on the irs.gov website. What you want to do is go down to apply for employer ID number. Then it's going to tell you exactly how it works. It takes approximately about 15 minutes, and in my opinion, it takes about 10. And then you want to go ahead and apply for your EIN number. Next, you're going to go ahead and begin your application. Now, once you put all of this information in, they're going to give you the option to basically download your paperwork of your EIN number, or you can have it mailed. But I definitely would recommend making sure if you're on your cell phone device to take a screenshot or printing it and saving it, because if you do have it delivered in the mail, it can take a while for you to receive it. Next, I would recommend opening a business checking account and making sure that you are opening this business checking account up under your business name and not your personal name. Remember, we want to try to keep things separate from business and from personal. Now, they do offer a variety of business checking accounts that you can go through. We have Navy Federal, we have PNC, we have, let's see what else. We have US Bank, we have Blue Vine, we have Capital One. They have a lot of different banks that you can go through for your business banking. Next, you want to go ahead and get a professional business address and business phone number. So, I do know Verizon does offer business financing for business cell phones, and you can go ahead and apply. And that will be for a whole nother video. But if you know, you know, just visit Verizon.com and go to business options, and that way you will be able to get a business cell phone. As far as a business address, you are able to use your own business address, but you want to make sure that you are careful with that, especially depending on what kind of business that you do. And they also offer these online where you can get fake business addresses, but they're literally real, but it's just an address for your business that you can use. But I do think that it's pretty much really expensive. So, in my opinion, if you can use your own address, I think that is a great option as well. Plus, it saves you money. Another thing that you want to do is make sure that your business information matches exactly everywhere online. So your Google, your IRS, your bank statement, everything is everything. Everything is legit. Everything has the same address because you do not want anything interfering with your business. Another thing that you want to do is get listed with the credit bureaus. So you want to make sure that you apply for a DUNS number with Dunn and Bradstreet. And here is the website as well if you're not familiar. You also want to make sure that you also set up accounts with Experian Business and Equifax Business, even if they don't have data on your business as of yet. It's very simple. You can type in your company's information, your city, your state, what country that you live in, and get your report. And if you don't see it, eventually it will pop up on there, but you will have to again set your business up with them in order to be able to see your business. And this is so important because you can't build business credit if there's nothing to report. So please, these are so important. Apply for a DUNS number and Bradstreet set up accounts with Experian Business and Equifax Business. These are so important for you to build a business credit. I cannot stress this enough. Make sure that you do that step, write it down, get a pen and paper, and make sure that you do just that. Now, it is definitely important to start with vendor credit, net 30 accounts. Now, these are accounts that give you 30 days to pay your bill and they report to the Business Credit Bureau. So, when you guys open up these basically trade lines, it is so important to make sure that you pay these vendors on time. So they have Uline, they have Quill, they have Granger, they have Crown Office Supplies, NAV Credit Builder Plan, which you do have to pay for that as well. Now, you want to make sure that you order small, pay early, and build a positive payment history. This is so important, you guys. Building, again, a positive payment history. And then next, after that, you can go ahead and move to retail and fleet cards, Lowe's, Home Depot, Shells, Amazon, and things of that. Once you have 3 to 5 vendors accounts reporting, you then want to apply for a store slash fleet cards. So again, that's Lowe's, Home Depot, Amazon, Shell, and BP. Now, I do have a Shell's business card. I do have a credit limit on there of $5,000, and I keep that open just to make sure that I continue to build my business credit. So, I do think Shell card is a great option if you are looking to build your business credit. And even with those other ones, Lowe's, Home Depot, Amazon Business, BP, those are all really great trade lines as well. They do start reporting larger lines and help your profile grow. So that is definitely important as well. Now, you also want to make sure that you apply for business credit cards that do soft pull first. So, look for cards that don't require a personal guarantee. So, once you have 8 to 10 accounts reporting, now you can get Sam's Club, a Business MasterCard, Divvy, which is known as Bill Now, the Brex, and the Ramp card as well. Now, if you need a card sooner, go for soft pull business cards so you can still protect your personal credit score. Remember, we want to keep the two separated from business and personal. I do apologize. I'm getting tongue tied here. But again, that is so important. Now, again, Sam's Club Business Master, Divvy, Brex, and Ramp. Now, another tip that I want to give you guys, you want to make sure that you are paying your bill early, not just on time. Early payments boost your score. Keep your utilization under 30%. Keep applying for new accounts every 3 to 6 months to grow your limits. You do not want to go and applying every month. That would definitely hurt your credit. I also want to let you guys know that a lot of people think business credit and personal credit are the same, but they're not. And if you treat them the same, you could be holding your business back from thousands in funding and could be approved right now. In short terms, that is how you build business credit fast in 2025. Now, if you follow these steps, you can go from zero to approved in as little as 90 days. Now, if you want my full list of vendors and a soft pull business credit cards, please comment down below and make sure that you are subscribed here and drop your comments down below in the comments if you have experience with a small business or a big business or business credit cards and things of that nature that can help the next person. Until next time, I will see you all in the next video.